Being broke can feel like a trap, but AI can help you learn skills, create offers, and start moving toward income faster. Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you how to use AI to start escaping being broke, one simple step at a time. Now let me be clear. AI will not magically make you rich overnight, but AI can help you move faster if you use it to solve real problems and take action. The first step is understanding this. AI is not magic money. AI is a tool that can help you create, learn, and work faster. AI helps by saving you time. It can help you write, brainstorm, plan, research, create content, improve resumes, and build simple business offers. The first step is understanding this. AI is not magic money. AI is a tool that can help you create, learn, and work faster. When you are broke, the goal is not to look rich. The goal is to become a builder, someone who learns skills and uses them to help people. The formula is simple. Learn one useful skill, use AI to get faster, create samples, offer help, and improve every week. Step 1 is picking one skill. Do not try to learn everything at once. Pick one simple skill that people already pay for. Beginner-friendly skills include writing captions, creating short video scripts, improving resumes, writing product descriptions, making business bios, and creating content ideas. Content is powerful because every business wants more attention. If you can help them show up online better, you are solving a real problem. Step 2 is using AI as your teacher. Ask it to explain skills in simple language and give you examples. Step 2 is using AI as your teacher. Ask it to explain skills in simple language and give you examples. Then ask AI for examples. Ask for good captions, bad captions, hooks, calls to action, and before and after improvements. Use a prompt like, "Teach me how to write social media captions for small businesses as if I'm a beginner." Step 3 is creating 3 samples. Samples prove that you can help before anybody pays you. Next, practice with real businesses. Pick a gym, barber, restaurant, retailer, salon, or local brand and create sample content for them. For a gym, one sample could be, "Stop waiting for motivation. Build discipline one workout at a time." For a barber, a video idea could be, 3 haircut mistakes that make you look full for waller. Mistake 1, overgrown sides. 2, harsh lines. 3, unblended fades. Put your samples in a simple document. Add the business type, the hook, the caption, and the reason the idea works. For a car detailer, a video idea could be, "Watch this dirty car turn brand new in 30 seconds. Transformation content is powerful." Step 4 is making a simple offer. Do not make it complicated. Say exactly what you can help with. Example offer: I create 20 social media captions for local businesses. Another offer: I write 10 short video scripts for barbers, gyms, and restaurants. Simple offers win because people understand them quickly. Confused people do not buy. Clear offers get attention.
Send a simple message like, "Hey, I made 3 free content ideas for your business. I think they could help you get more attention online. Want me to send them over?" Look for businesses with weak captions, no hooks, inconsistent posting, poor bios, or products that need better descriptions.
Step 5 is finding people who need help.
Look for businesses
You can
with
look on
weak captions,
Instagram,
no
Facebook,
hooks,
Google
inconsistent
Maps,
posting,
TikTok,
poor bios,
Etsy, or local
products
business
that
pages.
need better descriptions.
This builds momentum because you stop waiting. You start creating, sending, learning, and improving with every message. So yes, AI can help you escape being broke, but only if you use it the right way. Use AI to learn Karatkill, create 3 samples, make 1 offer, reach out to people every day. Thanks for watching Fast Money Marion. Remember, AI is only the tool. The money comes when you use that tool to solve real problems for real people.